good. That was good, man.
That was nice.
You almost the same thing.
Yeah, he's holding us up.
We're trying to get a fast 5 up the hill, yeah.
Yes. What?
Come on, what is that guy doing?
It's night time. It changes.
One of the fittest.
That was cool.
Getting bullied by Swifts. It's crazy.
It's not about the car, it's about the rider.
Crazy. That this thing grips, man. Jesus.
It's really nice for a little car, right?
Oh my word, it's fantastic.
I've got an automatic.
Sport.
Yeah, yes, one as well.
Nice.
And I'm currently